Now, humanitarian crisis is unfolding in Afghanistan, where climate change, not conflict, has become the leading driver of displacement. Years of relentless drought and sudden devastating floods are forcing families to abandon their homes and communities.
In one drought-ravaged village in the north, 50-year-old Maru stands beside a bundle of his family's belongings, waiting for transport out of the only home he's ever known. Around him, homes once full of life now stand empty. His neighbors have already fled, escaping thirst, hunger and hopelessness.
When there's no water, no jobs, and you've got 10 to 12 dependents, how can you not go to a better area, someplace where you can pick crops or do labor for others? Raising kids in a place like this is extremely hard. What would you do when your little 2 or 3-year-old is crying and there's no food, nothing at all?
According to the United Nations International Organization for Migration, nearly 400,000 Afghans have been displaced by environmental disasters. This marks a shift after decades of war. It is now climate-driven events that are uprooting lives across the country. The situation is worsened by the fact that most Afghans depend on agriculture and livestock, making them especially vulnerable to extreme weather. Much of Afghanistan is in the grip of a severe drought, the fourth in just 5 years. Water sources are vanishing, crops are failing, and entire communities are being pushed to the edge. In some areas, hope rests on new water infrastructure. The Kosh Tepa Canal, under construction in the north, promises to bring irrigation from the Amu Darya river, but its completion remains more than a year away. Until then, families like that of Abdul Jalil Rasuli face shrinking wells and lifeless soil. The Taliban-led government, still largely isolated on the global stage, is attempting to expand canal and dam projects. But officials admit their response falls short. While water remains scarce in some regions, others are overwhelmed by too much. Heavier and earlier than expected rains linked to shifting climate patterns have triggered catastrophic floods in central Afghanistan. A warmer atmosphere holds more moisture, leading to sudden, massive downpours that destroy homes, roads and livelihoods. In Maidan Wardak province, flash floods tore through villages. Afghanistan now faces one of the world's most severe climate-driven humanitarian crises. With limited infrastructure, ongoing poverty, and shrinking international support, families are left with few ways to adapt and nowhere else to turn. This is no longer just a story of conflict. It's a story of climate and survival.